Here we go. Built him up on the bank. Oh, he ate it. Oh, crap. Anyways, guys, here he is. About a pound. Try to get this hook out of him. Got it. But